They're trying to tell us there's money in this bag. Let's go through here.
Yeah.
Let's go through here. Just to avoid the fiery ball in the sky trying to kill us whenever we can. I want to see the tables with all the shit on them. It's like tossed everywhere. Those are the good ones.
All the cables.
Just piles of cables.
Two lightsabers. And with a bunch of wood sockets.
$3 for $1. $3 for $1.
3 for $1?
Yeah.
Okay. All right, thank you. Okay.
All right, picks.
Okay. Solid picks, I think. Okay. Here. Hold that. Okay. Ah, okay. Gracias. Okay. Oh, look, there's a 5 Nights at Freddy's.
5 Nights at Freddy's? Oh, nice.
Let's hang it out with it. It's not that many comps. That is cool.
We have some to sell. She's too big now. Yeah. Doesn't play with that no more.
Oh, that's cool. No.
Okay. I was just showing you those. I thought they were cool for D&D.
They are
and
cool.
They kind of look vintage.
They're
Shadows.
2003, 1999. Papo.
Huh?
P-A-P-O. Interesting. Oh, games?
Games, watches.
No? Cool.
Yeah, this
It's like a whole
pretty good too, and you could part it out if you want.
No, we'd sell it as like the whole set.
That's what I would do, yeah.
Cool. Sell-through's
I
good?
don't know how much,
Okay.
but here.
Oh, look, there's also a cup of... Okay.
Hang on to him too.
15, 12, 12, 15, 9. This one's a lot more consistent.
Okay. We'll hold them.
So, that one might actually be worth it.
Okay, and I just like the smaller plush, easier to sell.
Yeah.
We have to pick one, just so that we're budgeting better. We have to pick one. Which one had better sell-through rate?
This one had better sell-through.
Then we leave this guy.
Okay.
We put one of the plush back.
Yeah, we just the glasses.
Now you have 15.
15? Alright, what do you think? Okay. Let's,
$1 per space for me.
there you go.
You got a shop, you space out here or you drove out here? Free for you. 40 a space for me. You do the math. It's big for me. You do the math. It's big for me and small for you. No good for me. You
Thank you,
forgot?
ma'am.
Thank you, sweetheart. Yeah, I got to pay the work. You go with your car, go home.
It's like, you walk here, you drive here. It's like, what? It costs you $0 for you to get here. It cost me $40 for the spaces.
You see the Millennium Falcon?
Oh, I didn't. Well, it's missing.
Yeah,
pieces.
part of it. Yeah.
Yeah, the top and then the cabin. Yeah.
I don't care how big it is, I don't care how small it is. Big something right, get that. No basura, no me quema. No basura.
Ay, no, que yo le digo la gran pica.
Everything, get barata.
That's what we need. Air conditioning unit. Just drag that behind us. I'm still looking.
How you doing, guys?
Good. How you doing?
Good, good.
How much for these so far? We're still looking, but
Okay, no problem.
how much?
This one I'll do 7.
7?
Yeah.
Okay. Let's see. Oh, it's not gonna be worth it. Good. Last row, yeah. All right.
Last aisle.
Yep. Let's go through that one. If not, we're out of here.
A few moments later.
Let's get out of here.
Thank you.
That's what happens sometimes. I've never seen a Saturday that's dead though.
Yeah,
And
you
that's
should come back here on a Sunday. I know Sundays are tough, but apparently that's the day.
One eternity later.
Yeah. Already say something. Okay. Grape salt and pepper shakers. What do you think?
You never know. Yeah, try it. Yeah. It just looks so weird and vintage. I don't know.
Frog bowl. Look it up. Grab first, ask questions later. What the? Was that hippo?
Yeah,
That's cool.
it is cool.
2015 blue sky. Oh no, blue. $2 well, worth a look-see.
Yeah, that's these
How
small,
much is the bag?
$3.
The bag's $3.
You can look it up.
Look it up. We'll look it up.
Look them up.
Yeah. With the tag? You're trying to tell us there's money in this bag. Somebody ripped something out of here.
Yeah.
I don't like that. Because they're going to think we ripped something out of here or put something in here. Whatever. We can look up the review.
Yeah, the viewers I'm interested in.
Jeez.
It gets better. Hold on. Put it in the camera so the camera can see it.
Wherefore I take unto you the whole armor of God, that ye may be able to withstand the evil day, and having done all to stand. Looks like he's missing like a hammer or something that goes right here though. I'll double check, but that's what it looks like is happening. No, it is very cool.
Okay, I thought this one was cool for eBay. It's only $1.
Okay.
And we can
That's a
sell
little up here, but let's see.
the $1.
Here. Make sure it's in here. Yep, that is cool. We did sell what? Oh yeah, the DVD set. Yeah, I looked at it.
Where do you want to go?
Okay. New open box, brand new. Pre-owned for $45. 15. Let me see. Okay, here. Do this. Take that.
Just it.
Yep. I'm plugging this photo in.
just sent you.
And turns on.
Cool.
So. Check that. Just because I can't really see it within this thing.
It's sealed, right?
Yeah, that is sealed.
Brand new 22, 22, 22, 21, 21, 27 with free shipping. It has a good sell-through rate. And there's 91 listed. This is good.
Okay, let's toss that in there. Cool. Alright, let's get out of here. Yeah, we'll get out of here. Hola, ¿cómo estás? Buen día. Gracias. Alright. So, thanks for watching our video. This time we had a couple of flop moments, like the flea market being super hot and not really finding much there.
Yeah.
It's always a toss up as a reseller when you're going out on a sourcing trip, whether you're going to find good stuff or not.
Yeah, a couple of fails, but it happens sometimes, and we're still getting consistent sales each week, so it's okay to not find something every once in a while.
So please subscribe to our channel, hit the thumbs up on this video if you enjoyed it, and let us know what you think of what we found this week in the comments.
Be sure to check out some of our other content, other videos, shorts, and we'll see you on the next one.